saying hello, how are you, pleased to meet you, and lots more. If you wish to support me here on my mission to make more Irish language videos, then consider making a donation by PayPal. Any help is very much appreciated. I leave links in the description to this video and in the first pinned comment. A lot of people have asked about subtitles. Every single one of my videos here on this channel have subtitles, but they're not just going to appear magically. You have to turn them on your own end by going to your settings, clicking on captions or subtitles, and choosing the English subtitles. Do not choose English auto-generated, choose English subtitles, and then the subtitles will appear on screen. So let's get started with the video. If you wanted to say hello in Irish, the most common way to say it is uait. That literally means God be with you. Uait. And the standard response to that then is Dia is smurguit. Dia is smurguit. So that means God and Mary be with you. If you wanted to ask somebody their name, there's two ways. You could say this, Cad is anam dit. What is your name? Cad is anam dit. The answer to that question would be Liam is anam dum. Liam is my name. Liam is anam dum. If you were asked that question in a slightly different way, it could go like this. Cain tanam atá ort. That literally means what name is upon you or what name is on you. Cain tanam atá ort. The response to that question would be Dain an tanam atá orm. Dain is my name. Dain an tanam atá orm. The next thing you might want to ask is, how are you? So one way of saying that is Conas atá. How are you? Conas atá. But let's look at some alternative ways of saying how are you. So you could say this, Conas atá cuasaí leatsa. That means, how are things with you? Conas atá cuasaí leatsa. Or, Cén chuí a bhfuil cuasaí. Again, that means, how are things? Or, how are you? Cén chuí a bhfuil cuasaí. And another way, Cad é mar atá ag iarraidh leat. That means, how are you getting on? Or, how are you succeeding? It means literally, but generally it just means, how are you? Or, how are you getting on? Cad é mar atá ag iarraidh leat. A response then to any of those questions on how are you or